March 2020. Global panic. The world needs masks. Billions of them. One country does the impossible. Goes from 20 million masks per day to 450 million in 6 weeks. That's more than everyone else combined. How? The same reason your phone, toys, and shoes all say Made in China. Today, we're uncovering how one country became the factory for the entire planet. Let's rewind to 1978. China was poor, mostly farmers. Then leader Deng Xiaoping made one decision that changed everything. Let's open to the world, build factories, make things other countries want. And China's secret weapon? People. Over 1 billion people. More than US, Canada, Mexico, and the UK combined. More people equals more workers. And that equals making more stuff faster, cheaper than anyone on earth. Companies worldwide thought, we can save millions? Let's go! And China became the world's factory. But how? 5 superpowers explain it all. Toy costs $10 to make in America, $2 in China. Your phone would cost $3,000 elsewhere. Costs $500 to $1,000 instead in China. Lower costs equals you saving money. Chinese factories, the size of cities. 200,000 workers. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week operation. They make 500,000 iPhones daily, one every 0.17 seconds. They make 1 million products while others only make 1,000. That's how they made 450 million masks per day. Building a Lego set? In China, plastic factory next door, paint factory across the street, packaging down the road. Other countries, 500 miles apart, weeks of shipping. China, same day delivery, sometimes same hour. Massive time and money saver. They're experts. 40 years of practice, billions of products made. Workers can assemble an iPhone in 90 seconds, almost zero mistake. China doesn't just copy, they invent. BYD outselling Tesla in China. 25,000 miles of high-speed rail, more than the rest of the world's combined. 5G, solar panels, China leads it all. Why? Chinese students are intense about education, math, science, and engineering at extreme levels. China graduates 5 million engineers yearly, 8 times more than America. They spend more on research than all of Europe. They went from make it cheap to make it better. Low costs got them started. Innovation kept them dominant. So next time you see those 3 words, Made in China, you're not just seeing a label. You're seeing 40 years of innovation, hard work, and determination. You're seeing millions of students studying late into the night. You're seeing a country that transformed itself from poverty to technological powerhouse. If you like this video, smash that like button and share it with anyone who needs to know more. And do subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, everyone.